Morning dear students, today we will be discussing about very first chapter, integers. Students, we have learnt about whole numbers and integers in previous class. And we have also discussed about integers and its properties in the previous videos which were forwarded to you in the month of April. So let's give you a brief introduction of the topic integers. Students, you know that integers form a bigger collection of numbers, which includes whole numbers and negative numbers. So, integers are the set of negative numbers, positive numbers along with 0. Integers are denoted by symbol I, that is capital I or capital Z. For example, -3, -2, 1, 2, 0 are all what? They are all integers. So now students, let's begin with the very first exercise of chapter 1, exercise 1.1. Students, whatsoever we will be discussing in the very first chapter is the revision of what you have already done in class 6th. So, let's read the very first question. The very first question is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on particular day. Now see, here students, in the very first question, number line has been given to us. And with the help of this number line, we have to answer all the questions. So the very first part of question number 1 is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. In the second part, we have to tell the temperature difference between hottest and the coldest place among the above. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? This is what has been asked in C part. And in D part, it is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So let's answer all the parts one by one. Now students, the very first part is observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. So students, on this number line you can see some places has been marked on it and you have to write the temperature of these places. Students, you people have studied about number line in class 6 also, and you are well aware, you are well versed with this thing that the numbers on the left of 0 are the negative numbers and the numbers on the right of 0 are the positive numbers. So here we have to first of all find out the temperature of Lahaul Spiti, which is on the left of 0, so it must be, the temperature must be negative. So let us find out what is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti. So 0 is here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Right students? So temperature of Lahaul Spiti is -8. What is the temperature of Srinagar? It is 0, -1 and -2. What is the temperature of Shimla? Now Shimla is on the right of 0, so it will be +5. What is the temperature of Ooty? Again it is on the right of 0, it will be 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. What is the temperature of Bengaluru? It is 20, 21 and 22 degrees Celsius. Right students? So now next is students, in the B part we have to answer the difference between the temperature of hottest place and the coldest place. So what is, here we have made a table. So here you can see a table. In this we have written all the temperatures. So now from this table only, the temperature of hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius and the coldest place is -8 degrees Celsius. So we have to find out the difference between these two temperatures. So first of all we will be writing 22 degrees Celsius because 22 is greater than 8. To subtract, we'll write the greater number first. So 22 minus -8. So minus and minus, you know, negative and negative becomes positive. So 22 plus 8 is 30 degrees Celsius. So hence the temperature between the hottest and the coolest place is 30 degrees Celsius. Now next students, in the C part we have to tell what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So what is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti? It is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? It is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So which is bigger out of two? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. So we'll be writing minus 2 degrees Celsius first of all, because we'll be writing the greater one first and the smallest one afterwards, because we have to subtract. So it will be minus 2 minus minus 8, because we have to find the difference. So we'll be writing minus in between. Now you know minus and minus will become plus. Now again we'll be solving it. It is negative 2 and positive 8. So what will be the result? Result will be positive 6, because minus plus will be minus. We'll be subtracting 2 from 8. So it will be 6. But what sign will come in front of the result? It will be plus sign, because 8 is greater and 8 is a having sign of addition. So what will be the result? Result will be plus 6 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is plus 6 degrees Celsius. Now students, as for the D part, the question was, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? What is the meaning of taken together? Means we have to add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So what was the temperature of Srinagar? It is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and temperature of Shimla, it is 5 degrees Celsius. So when we'll take both the temperatures together, when we'll be adding both the temperatures, it will be minus 2 plus 5. Minus plus is minus. It will be 3 degrees Celsius, and the greater number is having sign of positive sign. So the result will be plus 3 degrees Celsius or 3 degrees Celsius. So now what has been asked in question is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Yes, it is, because the temperature of Shimla is to positive 5 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together? It is 3 degrees Celsius. So yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. And now next, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar, because temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and if we'll take both the temperatures together, it is 3 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees Celsius is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. So the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. Right students, I hope this question is clear to you. Now let us read the next question. Question number 3 I will be discussing. 3 is, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees. So what was the temperature on this day? This day means on Wednesday. So students, in this question you have to find out the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday and temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday, right? So first of all, what was the temperature? What is given in the question? Given is that the temperature of Srinagar on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday will be temperature of Srinagar on Monday minus 2 degrees Celsius, because we'll be subtracting 2 degree from the temperature of Monday, because the temperature dropped. Dropped means the temperature has gone down. So we'll be subtracting. So what was the temperature on Monday? It was minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. You know, negative and negative, we'll be adding both of them. Minus minus plus. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and which sign will come in front of the result? Minus sign. So it will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? It is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature, now we have to find out what was the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. So to find out this, what we'll be doing is we'll be writing the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday first, and in this we'll be adding 4, because that on Wednesday it rose. It rose means the temperature increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So we'll be adding in this. So what was the temperature on Tuesday? It was minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 minus plus minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. But sign of bigger number is minus, so that minus will come in front of the result. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday and the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius, minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Right, students? Now let us discuss next question, question number 6. Students, question number 6 is Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to point B. Right? So this is point A and this is point B. Rita is standing here. She goes 20 kilometers from point A to point B, and that too in the east direction. Now she is standing here. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. Now after reaching here, she have started moving to this side, right? If the distance towards east is represented by positive integers, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent the final position, right, student? So now here you have to find out. So here you can see the solution. So the initial position was here. She moved 20 kilometers towards east and she has reached B point. Now she was standing here and she has started moving towards this direction and she moves 30 kilometers. Right, so we have to find out. So what has been asked in the question, what was the temperature? It has been asked that by which integer will you represent her final position, right? So first of all, let us answer the first question, that is, if the distance towards east is represented by positive integers, then how you will represent the distance traveled towards west? So distance traveled towards the east is represented by positive integers, so the distance traveled towards the west will be represented by negative integer. So it is given in the question that distance traveled in east direction is 20 kilometers and distance traveled in west direction is 30 kilometers. So the distance traveled from A to C will be 20 plus minus 30. So it is equals to minus 10 kilometers. Right, students? So students, the final position of Rita from A will be represented by integer minus 10. So here I end my explanation. I'll be explaining you the next question in the next video. Thank you.